declarations for which
ആലപ്പുഴയിലെ
there is no
തഴക്കര
provision, or you are
ഗ്രാമപഞ്ചായത്തിൽ പ്ലാസ്റ്റിക്
interested
മുക്തിയുമായി
in
ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട പരിപാടിയിൽ
rehabilitating those
ഗവർണർ
who have
സംസാരിക്കും.
been affected.
Calamity happened.
We want to rehabilitate people. So please, we already have money. You submit the accounts to the central government. Say this money has been spent. More money is needed. Prime Minister has given an assurance that because of the constraint on resources, rehabilitation work will not be allowed to be affected. We should believe that. Oh, who is stopping you from making a special package? Go ahead, do something. It's not question of report. This is the loss. This much work we have done. This is the amount which we have spent on it, and now we do not have the funds. Go there.
But Revenue Minister said telling all the accounts and all the reports have been submitted.
This is not right. I would rather believe the Prime Minister, who has said publicly that because of the money, rehabilitation work will not be allowed to be affected.
But why this delay? People are getting affected and they are in great misery.
It's almost 3 months over.
Please,
4 months.
how much, it's not question of 4 months. How much money is there with the government for the rehabilitation purposes? Has that been fully spent? No.
But government has that fund for whole the Kerala, not only for Wayanad, no?
No. I'm asking for Wayanad. Money has come
But
from
SDR
central
fund-
government. Just a moment. Money has come from Kerala government. Money has come from private donors. Let the right strategy would be that these many people have been affected. This is the amount which is with us so far. So much amount we have spent, and now we need the Prime Minister has given a categorical assurance that because of money, the rehabilitation work will not be allowed to be adversely affected. Go ahead.
But state is still telling that the SDR fund.
In so many things, they are telling many things.
No, but they are telling that.
I'm not going to respond to them because they have been telling so many things.
SDR
Kerala has no regular vice chancellor today. They have been telling so many things. Where is a question of intervening? I fully trust the words of the Prime Minister. He has said because of money. You have X amount, 100 rupees you have. You have already spent 99 rupees. Go and tell the central government that no money is left. There is a lot of money already available with the government. The plan is not there, work is not there on the ground. You only want technical declaration, money to come in lump sum. Why we are interested in these technical things? Center is not raising technical issues. We should go by what Prime Minister has categorically promised. Come forward with your plans. How much money? And then everything cannot be given in one go. This much money we have spent.
But till now, this category of this calamity has not been declared. So
Why you are interested in category?
So international funds.
I do not know what they have already said. There is no such provision. Point out the provision.
But L1, L3 or L2, they have to categorize that way also.
That matter can be taken up, and they can if that is helpful. I am sure the central government will not deny that. But I am on the basic question. The basic question is whether you declare any category or not declare.
വയനാട് ദുരന്തവുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട വിഷയത്തിൽ മാധ്യമങ്ങളോട് പ്രതികരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു ഗവർണർ. കേന്ദ്ര സർക്കാരിനെ കുറ്റപ്പെടുത്തുന്നതിന് പകരം കൃത്യമായ രേഖകളും കണക്കുകളും സമർപ്പിക്കാത്തതാണ് പണം ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനുള്ള തടസ്സമായി നിലനിൽക്കുന്നത് എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഗവർണർ പ്രധാനമായും ചൂണ്ടിക്കാട്ടുന്ന വിഷയം.